Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a review on Google Maps. Leaving a review on Google Maps is a great way to support local businesses, share experiences, and help others make informed decisions. Whether it's a restaurant, salon, or museum, a thoughtful review goes a long way. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Google Maps and log in. Now if you're using your mobile device, make sure you download the Google Maps application on Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And if you're using a computer like me, just go to your web browser and type in maps.google.com. Once the website appears, make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials. And now once you logged in, search for your place you want to review. Let's see here. Let's look for a restaurant. Here for example, you can use this search bar to find businesses, landmark or location, and after that click on the location's name, and this will open a full profile of the location on the left on desktop or bottom panel on mobile. For example, I'm going to choose this one, the first option right here, and as you can see here, this is the profile for the location, profile of the location. The fourth step is to scroll down to the review section. Scroll all the way down. See here, and you're gonna see here the option to write a review. Click on it. The fifth step is to rate a review. You can give it a star rating from 1 to 5 stars here. Write about your experience, whether it's the quality, the service, the cleanness, the vibe, etc. And you can also add photos of the place, products or meal. As for the sixth and final step, post it by clicking post to publish your review, and it will be visible to the public. Adding a review on Google Maps helps businesses grow and lets others benefit from your experience. Honest feedback, positive or constructive, builds in trust in the community. Whether you're exploring, recommending, or organizing your favorite spots, these tools make Google Maps more powerful for everyone. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.